and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure the phone turns blue. Guys, you might have seen my video yesterday where I mailed myself to the LOL headquarters. There's actually behind Trinity's face, there's actually a big surprise. LOL. Yeah, guys, they sent me a huge LOL confetti pop, and it's about the size as this monster disc. See, like my hand is really small. First, I'm gonna show you how big normal ones are, and then I'll show you the big confetti pop. All right, Dad, roll them over. Woo! So guys, this is how small these ones are. This is the smallest one. It's the Charm Fizz. Guys, this is the next size. It's the medium size. And it's the little sister, just like my little sister. Big sister. The next ones are the LOL pets. These ones are so cool. You get 7 surprises. But guys, this isn't all we have. We have the white one, which is the glitter series. And this is a confetti pop, which is what we're opening. But guys, we're not gonna open this teeny one. We're gonna open the big one. Again, like the back of me. All right, guys, the big one. Dad's gonna help us with it.
Whoa, guys, look at that. That one's huge. It's bigger than you, Madison.
Wait, pink, my favorite color.
You guys, there is a giant LOL doll in here.
LOL surprise.
Girls, are you gonna help me open it?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up. Gotta take that sign off.
Take it. Take it.
Oh, what is that?
A blanket.
Ooh, for surprise. Blanket? Okay, we got a little blanket
All right,
for her, baby.
let's open the top.
Let's see what else we got. Oh, what's in there?
Oh, a bandage.
A bandage?
That's cute, yeah.
What do we got? 2 prizes in there?
Guys, this is the thermometer. Bandage.
And a bandage?
All right, let's turn it.
Oh,
okay,
God,
turn
I
it.
think I see one.
What is it?
It's a stethoscope where you listen to people's
A
hearts.
what?
A stethoscope where you
A
listen.
stethoscope?
A stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Okay.
Where you listen to people's hearts. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum.
All right, let's spin it again. Oh.
Got a dress. Aww.
Ooh.
We got a dress.
Madison, that's like your size.
No.
All right, let's spin it again. What's there?
A juice box.
Juice box. That must mean it's one of the babies that like cries or tinkles or spits. Ew.
Or cry.
Anything else?
Oh.
There's a string.
A string.
Pull the string, girls. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it.
It's not coming. Why is it not coming?
Well, no. You guys, the string's stuck. We're gonna
What
take
do
this
I
thing
do?
outside and rip this thing apart.
Guys, what
Let's
do
go.
we do?
Let's take this thing outside, Madison.
Yeah.
Let's go, girls.
Strings.
All right, here. We're just gonna take the top of this thing off, okay?
Okay.
Take the top of it off. Man. Well, there's the inside of it. It's still not coming up. Okay. Pull that string, Madison. Help her. Pull it. Pull it. Pull, girl. Oh my goodness.
Oh no,
Whoa.
not in the dirt.
It's still falling over there, girls.
Yeah, confetti, confetti. Guys, this went totally wrong. It's supposed to go way up high, but nope. Right to where I'm holding you. And it went in the dirt.
Let's take this off and see what we got in there, okay? Yep. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness!
This thing is giant. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. That is the biggest LOL ever. Wait, we still gotta see what she does.
Let's go put her stuff on.
Come on. Yeah, where's her stuff? It's inside.
Oh, let's go get
Let's go.
Let's go ahead and put her things on. Let's put her bandage. I put her bandage on. Because she hurt herself on the bad tree. Oh, she looks over the way. Oh, my guys, let's turn her on. This is a special LOL. Yeah. I think there's a button. There's a button. Oh! Please. Oh. Okay.
Check up, please.
Oh, check up, Damien. Oh, you got a hurt arm. Let's put a bandage on. Oh no!
Juice.
Okay, real quick, let's listen to her heart. See what she means. And she's happy. She's happy.
Check up.
She's happy.
I need some juice. Will you listen to my heartbeat?
Oh.
Boom, boom, boom,
Boom,
boom.
boom, boom, boom.
That's my heartbeat.
Girls,
What?
I got some juice box.
Juice, please.
She said juice. We gotta give her juice. Here. Let's get it
What's
all the way
she
in there.
gonna do?
Okay.
What's she gonna do? Wait, is she already crying?
She's drinking it all.
Don't.
Thank you, Mommy.
Go, baby.
Wait, we gotta give it all to her.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, she sneezed.
Tissue, please.
1, 2, 3.
Her nose turned red.
Oh, where's the tissue? Where's her tissue? I'll
Oh,
go
right
find
here,
it.
right here.
Oh no, her drippy mouth. Ew. Oh. Ew. Her mouth is messy.
Oh no.
Tissue,
She's
please.
gonna cry.
You wiping her nose, Madison?
Yeah.
Will you help me blow my nose?
Good baby.
I don't feel good.
Oh no, no, no. Oh.
Oh.
Here.
Oh no.
Feel good.
Oh no, she's crying. She doesn't feel good.
My nose feels stuffy.
Oh no.
Tissue, please.
Tissue. Guys, it looks like our LOL baby is a crier. Whoa, that LOL was huge.
Did you guys see that thing? It's a good thing they were able to mail it to our house, huh?
Yep.
Because there's no way that was going to fit in that box.
It was ginormous.
What kind of a baby doll did we get? We got one that cried.
And she's one of the confetti pops.
She was a confetti pot. Did you guys see that? It went all over the yard. And it made a mess. We still haven't cleaned up the mess.
No, we haven't. Guys, do you want to see us do LOL at 3 a.m.?
3 a.m.? Like opening LOLs at 3 a.m.?
Yep.
Should we open LOL dolls at 3 a.m.? What do you think?
Yeah.
I have an idea. What if we get 1,000 likes on this video and then we will open LOL dolls at 3 a.m.? What do you think?
How about we just get like 10
10 likes? I think we can do that. Should we only get 10 likes?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. All right, guys. If we get 10 likes on this video, we will open LOL dolls at 3 a.m. What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know.
Oh boy. All right. Well, comment down below LOL dolls at 3 a.m. if you want to see us do that video. Real quick before we go, we have a couple shout outs to do.
Alright guys, first shout out goes to Ruby Lakehorn. Thanks so much for watching, Ruby. You're an awesome fan. Guys, the next shout out goes to Megan Perkins. Thanks so much for watching, Megan. You're an awesome fan. The last shout out goes to Princess Ellie Whippy. Did I say that right? Ellie Princess Whippy. Well, that's all for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a link down in the description. That's all for today. Bye!